I wanted them to experience what the greatness that I'm experiencing with the school.
They are some of the people that have been supporting me so much throughout the entire journey. So it's nice for them to get a glimpse of Oxford and get to meet the people that make it so special.
Today is our Friends and Family Day. The purpose of it is really to get a chance for them to see what life is like here at the university and at the Said Business School.
Having the opportunity to meet people and their families, it paints a different picture to different individuals.
Everyone here come from Japan, you have people from America, all over Europe, and everyone just comes together for this shared goal, and it's really special to see.
It's almost like a perfect day. It's really, really nice to be here and to support my wife.
It's hard to describe Oxford and the Oxford EMBA experience to your family, but when they see it, they feel it.
Support from the family is absolutely what we really need, and that they're pushing us and supporting us in all phases of our journey.
It's almost like showing them a part of how much they mean to me in this journey.
Well done. Well done.